So today I'm going to show you how to install a backdoor into a system. This is now we are like moving into the real hacking things. So first, so this is the what is this metasploitable tool. I'm using this to demonstrate this installing the backdoor. As you can see, the metasploitable virtual machine is an intentionally vulnerable version of Ubuntu Linux designed for testing security tools and demonstrating common vulnerabilities. So I'm going to find this is very vulnerable. So I'm going to find some of the vulnerabilities in there and try to install a backdoor that try to access. So okay. So first we need to find the vulnerabilities in there. So I'm using nmap for this scanning. I will scan the ftp port. It's literally 21, and I will find out what are the vulnerabilities according to the exploit database. So this database you can download. Actually, I will post the links for the GitHub repositories. So nmap and finance script I will type this so you can see was scan nse minus. I'm sorry, my monitor is a little bit far away from me, so I can't clearly see what I'm typing. args was scan equal, then I'm using exploit db csv. So sv the scanning port is 21. It's 21 means the ftp port, file transfer protocol. So let's check our address in this metasploitable if config. So address is 10.10.110. So this is it. Starting in map. Let's see what are the vulnerabilities that we can get. So we can as in there you can see this vulnerability in backdoor command execution. So we can execute command in backdoor. So let's like execute this vulnerability using Metasploit framework. So for that we need to go to this directory, cd user share Metasploit framework. Let's see what are in there. There's a folder called modules. Let's go to this. Let me see where is that folder. There's a folder called modules, and from in module there's a folder called exploits. See, cd exploits. Let's get into it. In the exploits there's a folder called unix. Let's go for unix. In unix I think there's a folder called ftp. Yes, we need to go there, ftp, and let's see. So in the ftp, yes, you can see there's a vsftpd 234 backdoor ruby. I guess total vim is ruby. So this is the file we are using to exploit this backdoor. For this we need Metasploit For enable Metasploit, we can use MSF console. So Metasploit will open. Yep. So in Metasploit, we are going to use that backdoor to exploit. So we type use exploits Unix. In the Metasploit, we have given the path that we got this backdoor. So in the Metasploit, as you can see, exploits Unix, then FTP, then that's backdoor Unix FTP ESF TPD 234 backdoor, right? Backdoor. So I'm getting an error. Let's check whether we are connecting or not. No, we are not connected. Use exploits Unix FTP ESF TPD 234 backdoor. I think this must work. Let's see info. Yeah, it worked. So as you can see now, we are in the Metasploit world 2. We execute the backdoor, and let's actually go into it. Let's change the host and let's go into it. So for that we use set our host. We need know the address. It's 10 10 1 10. So now we are in it. As you can see, the host is changed. PWT. Okay. Right. Now we are in the we are running a remote shell on a remote machine. Now we can just see like ls minus al to see what are in the Metasploit 2. So as you can see, now we are in the Metasploit 2. This is how we execute backdoor and get the access to the system. And it's a little bit complicated. I'm still learning the things. So thanks for watching.